Next is connecting the isti'adah to the beginning of a surah. This is where we drill and practice a little bit. All right. Number one, connecting everything. Connecting everything. That's one way we can connect the isti'adah to the beginning of a surah. So how do we do that? We can say, sorry, go ahead.
I came in a little bit earlier, so I saw this.
Oh, okay, cool.
That there was 4 different ways.
Right, 4 different ways. So the first way is connecting everything. So we're connecting the isti'adah to the basmala and the first ayah of the surah. So an example of that, we'll use Surah Fatiha. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين. All right, I'll say that one more time. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين. All right, I connected all 3 of them. The isti'adah, the basmala, first ayah of the surah. All right, that is one way we are allowed to connect the isti'adah to the beginning of the surah. Another way, number 2, separating the isti'adah, the basmala, and the beginning of the surah. This is the standard way, right? This is the most preferred way in the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is separating all of them. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين. All right, so that is the more classical way, if you will, and most people, pretty much most people, will do. All right, so separating the isti'adah, basmala in the beginning of the surah. Number 3, pausing after the isti'adah, then connecting the basmala to the beginning of the surah. So, example, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين. All right, so we pause after the isti'adah, and then we connect the basmala with the first ayah of the surah. I'm going to have y'all practice this. Next, connecting the isti'adah to the basmala, then pausing and then saying the first ayah of the surah after the pause. So example of that, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين. All right, and so these are the 4 examples, 4 ways of connecting the isti'adah to the beginning of a surah. All right, so can we get some volunteers to recite?
If you benefited from this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on our other social media platforms.